This is a 2014 to 2018 Subaru Forester. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open the driver's side door right by where the driver's left side foot would go. That's where the primary hood release lever is. So pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right below the Subaru emblem over there, that's where the secondary release lever is. So put one finger in there and push it left. While you're pushing left, lift up the hood and the hood goes up. It goes up and stays in place by itself because of that support rod, the hood strut right over there. Yep, that is good. Now there are two bulbs on each side. One is a side marker, one is DRL slash parking light. We're going to tackle them both in this job. First we'll start with the passenger side and then we'll move on to the driver's side. So those are the bulbs over there. Now the way to access it is right there behind it. There are two bulb holders. The gray one is for that orange lens, the side marker, and the black one is for the DRL one. First we'll tackle the side marker, the one with the orange lens. So that's the gray bulb holder. Grab it, twist it left. Now it's loose. Simply pull it out and off it comes. In order to get the bulb off, all you have to do is just grab the bulb and pull it off. You may have to wiggle it, but it will come right out. The bulb size is 168 or 194. Again, 168 or 194, that's the bulb size number. Get the new replacement bulb, and all you have to do now is just push it in and it will lock in by itself. That's good. Now let's put the bulb holder back into the light. When you're putting it back in, you may have to wiggle it for a few seconds, and once it's in position, it's sort of just going to drop in just like that. Only once it's sitting snug, yep, like that. Now you can just twist it right to lock it in place. It's simple as that. Now let's move on to the other bulb. Same process. Twist it left, pull it out, twist it left, and now it's unlocked. Pull it out, and that's the bulb right over there. Again, the replacement size is 168, 194. You can put 168A. A is the amber color. If you want to just put amber colored light over there instead of just a regular light, up to you. Put that in there, make sure it's sitting flush, twist it right, and lock it in place. That's it. Now let's just move on to the driver's side. It's the exact same process, same everything, same bulb, same position, but I'm going to show you just so you know that it's the same process and it's just as easy. Let's go ahead now and tackle the orange lens, the side marker bulb. Loosen it, get the bulb holder out, grab the bulb. You may have to wiggle it when you're trying to pull it out, but it will come right out. Again, same bulb, 168, 194. Either one of them works. Get the bulb, put it back in there. Put the bulb holder back in. Again, make sure it's sitting flush just like that. Yep, that's looking good. Now twist it right and it's locked in place. Repeat the same process for the DRL slash parking light one. 168, 194, same bulb, same everything. Put the new bulb back in. Put the bulb holder in. Make sure it's sitting flush, twist it right to lock it in place. That's it. That's about the whole process. See how easy it was? Hope you found it useful. To close the hood, simply lower the hood, push it down and slam it shut.